for today's video, mga today is kasal sa amo ang pamangkin sa akong husband. So, padulong namin dito na, hi kuya, pag-hi sa vlog namin. Hi, I'm to si hi. Hi kay mami vlog. Okay, and also daddy. Kuya, pag-hi mo na. Sila ba sa vlog?
Ladies and gentlemen, your request I want to please all stand up as we move on, as we witness the grand entourage of our newlywed, Shimon and Claire. Let's give it a round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, we're using as we celebrate the blessing celebration and the special day of our newlywed.
Naadri ka lang ng sa isang especially to my brotherhood sa Higil, si Kuya Pao, Kuya Dano, Kuya Rodnan.
Stories for welcome to our celebration. This is the time to say thank you. This is the time to say sorry. And this is the time to say I love you to your very lovable and sporting mother. Wala ko kasi ka para pakatay. Ladies and gentlemen. Oh my gosh. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat. Diba? Ayan. Napaganda pa rin nga. Ang naging emotional po doon, ayan, gawa na po naging emotional because this is the first part of your journey as a parent couple.
Kailangan sa akin.
As many as possible. Thank you.
Ayun sa mga nagipag sa balay. Kumanda, yung tabi ka. Ay, sarap ka. Utos ka. Alis. Ulit ka sa. Ano ba sa ino?
All of that.
Afternoon, everyone. Gina, Tita, at Kristita. So, ang aking paso nila, Jaymar, kaming naman ito ang woman who's been through it all. And ano siya, ang mga si Claire, she's going to free man. Ang sabi na nila, Junior, Junior, kaya lahat na ito family. Pero, ano siya, ako lang po si Liz, you know, we have to take care of her. Dito ko magtakaw ko na, kaya baka siya may nag-follow, siya may nag-follow. Hindi ko daw ka magpapag-clear dahil baka nagkawala siya. But I would say, you walk hand in hand. So, kung yun natin magkita-kita dito, your decisions may not be the same. So, dito lang yung mga teenagers. Diba? So, naalaman ako sa tamang edad and being naka-decide na mo sa inyong mga gusto sabihin ng week. Now you have decided, Mark, on what happened to Claire is what happened to Claire. So, it brought news to the family. That's why kita ninyo ang support sa iyang family tayo. So, nagkakusa dyan niya ang mga hindi. In fact, he woke up Monday after 4 in the morning just to be here. So, nauna magaling sa one. What is very day? Mark is going to put it in your heart, put it in your mind, the success to come. Everyone, otherwise, there's no need for you to be together and then ask somewhere else. It has to be, you have to have a full commitment in your heart and in your mind and in your soul that everything has to be a win. But we have